Are you interested in making your own animation video? If you find it too complicated, time-consuming, or lack editing skills, I have a solution for you. You can easily convert a simple sentence or even a paragraph into an eye-catching animation video. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'll show you how to create an animation video from scratch. And the best part is, you can do it for free. After watching this video, you will be able to create animation videos like this.
How to master social media in just 5 minutes. Expert tips and strategies revealed.
I am Alex for Tech Content Creator. And let's start doing just that. Create the script. We are going to do 2 animation videos. Step 1 is to generate the script. I know a wonderful tool called Gravity Write that will help us fix. Just click on the link below this video and it will take you to the site. Click Start Free Writing now. Enter your details here, and later enter your details. Then click Create an Account, and it will take you to the Gravity Red dashboard, which means we have created one. After you create your account, next we need to create a script. As an example, let's say you want to create animation videos to promote your products or services. So, all you have to do is go to the YouTube option, then click on the explainer video script. Enter these details here and generate the script. Or if you are planning to create an animation video for your YouTube channel, just click Whitey Script Creator. Here you can create your script. For this, you need to write your video title. So, I'm going to enter Learn Social Media Marketing Script into an animation video in 5 minutes. Type a few lines about your key searching for visitors and then enter. Click Create when the point video you want to cover is done, and you can see that the script has been created successfully. We can now move to the second step, which is to convert this entire script to make an animation video. We are going to use a tool called Steve.ai. First, we need to create an account on Steve.in. So just click on the link below this video and simply click Sign Up Now for free. Sign up with Google, and it will take you to this dashboard. Here, you can see we have different options. As we want to convert our script, let's select an animation video. Choose this option, and it will now take you to this page. Here we need to paste the script that we just generated from Gravity. So, let's go to Gravity Write, and here you can see the script. Copy the introduction part, then go back here and paste it. Now you can see the script transformed into different scenes. Similarly, we will copy the remaining part and paste it here. So once we have pasted the script, here's what you should write. Video it. So click here and enter the video type. Once you're logged in, click Now. Here you have to choose the design for your video. So if you put the mouse pointer on one design, this will show you the preview. And you can choose any design you like. So, I'm going to select this one. Edit the video. Now if you click play, you can see it has been transformed into one complete script in an animation video. You can change it if you want. Animation too. We will be able to edit each scene individually. So first, let's see how you can change the format view. So just click here, and you can see that we got different layouts to change to. You can choose any layout you want. I'm going to choose this one, and you can see that the new layout has been applied to our video. You want to change this character to another character. So all you have to do is click on it, and you will now get various options. Click on Change Character, and you can see that we got different characters to choose from. I am going to choose this one. As you can see, the cat has been changed in the scene. Now, what if you want to change the action of this character? You can do that by selecting the character. then click on Change Action. Add voiceover to your animation, and you will get different actions to choose from. So, you can choose the one you want, and it will be applied to the scene. Also, you can move the position of the character like this and keep it wherever you want. If you play the video, you can see that the changes have been applied. Now we have learned how to change the layout and the character. Next, let's see how you can add a voiceover to your animation. To do that, just click here and you will get two different options. You can either add an AI voice or record your own voice. I'm going to add an AI voice, so let's click here. You can see that we have these options to choose from. For the AI voice, you can choose the language, the gender, and also select the voice you want. Now, if you click here, you can hear a preview of the voice.
Hello, I'm Matthew from Steve.
Once you're happy with this, click Generate Voice, and the AI voice will be generated and applied to your video. So, this is how you can add an AI voice to your animation video. Next, let's see how we can add music to our video. To do that, let's click on Music, then click here. You will get a lot of different music to add to your video. If you place the mouse on any music here, and if you like the music, you can add it to the video by clicking on it. Now, if you play the video.
Welcome to Social Media Marketing. Boost your business online.
Music has been added. Okay, so now we've entered the first scene of our animation video. In the same way, we can edit all the other scenes too. Once you're happy with your video, let's download it. So, to do that, just click Publish. As you can see, our video is now ready to download. Now, if we click Download, your video will be exported here. Again, click Download here, and you can see that our animation video has been downloaded to our computer. Now, if we open it,
Welcome to Social Media Marketing. Boost your business online.
you can see that we have successfully created an animation video. Step 3. How to earn by making animation videos. First, open your computer's browser. Then search Fiverr.com. Go inside and search for AI animation video. Then you will see many gigs who have made a lot of money making these videos. You can also earn money by creating gigs like this on Fiverr. There are many more such platforms from where you can earn by making this a video. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more such technology-related videos. Thanks for watching the video.